In this video, I will be showing you how to create a mind map in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva homepage and type mind map into the search bar to see what's available. There are thousands of templates to choose from, ranging from professional layouts to more creative designs. I'll scroll through the results until I find one that catches my eye. This pastel doodle style looks great, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once it loads, I can start personalizing it. I'll click on the first subtopic and rename it to Scope and Goals. Then I'll move to the next one and change it to Timeline and Milestones. I'll continue updating the labels, changing the third one to Team and Resources, then Action Steps and Tasks, followed by Risk Management, and finally Communication and Review. This is a quick way to get a professional look in seconds. Now, if I want to build a mind map from scratch, I'll add a blank page and head over to the Elements tab. I'll select a rounded square and place it on the canvas. To make the process even faster, I'll right-click the shape and select Enable Quick Flow. Now I can simply click the arrows on the sides of the box to automatically generate new connected shapes. I'll drag these into position to create a custom layout that fits my specific workflow. Once I have my structure ready, I can right-click again and select Disable Quick Flow to finish up. Creating organized and visual brainstorms has never been easier. I hope this helps you streamline your next project.